Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, let's start today's topic. Here are few instructions. Please follow it. Take your notebook and pencil with you while watching the video. Write highlighted important points in your notebook. Pause video when I will tell you to pause it. So, today we will discuss our block 2, that is living in a community. Lesson 1 we will discuss why we live in a community. Here are our agenda, what we are going to do today. Firstly, we will discuss some questions, then we'll know about our aim of the chapter, then we'll do an activity, and after that we will discuss some questions based on our activity, and at the end I will tell you some keywords related to the chapter. I hope it's clear to you all. So please now take your notebooks and write down the answers of these questions. First one is, who delivers milk at your home? Who delivers milk at your home? Second question is, who cleans streets in your neighborhood? Who cleans streets in your neighborhood? Please pause video and write down the answers. I hope you done it. So the milkman delivers milk at our home, and the garbage collector or the sweeper cleans our streets. I hope it's clear. So now my second question is, please look at the picture carefully and tell me who are they and how they help us. I hope you done it. So the first one, this is a auto rickshaw driver who help us to go from one place to another place. Second one is a garbage collector who collects all the garbage from our neighborhood and from our surroundings. I hope this is clear. So now, what is our aim? Today in this chapter we will learn how we depend on each other in our community. Please repeat after me. In this chapter we will learn how we depend on each other in our community. I hope it's clear. Now we'll do an activity, but before that here are few instructions. Please follow it. Take your notebook, rough notebook, and write down the answers of the following questions, and pause video if you want to pause it and write down the answers. So my first question is that, think of some people in school who you depend on. Think of some people in school who you depend on. Second question is, think of some people we depend on in our daily lives. Think of some people we depend on in our daily lives. I hope you done it. So in school we depend on sweeper, garbage collector, bus driver, teachers who educate us, bus driver who drop us into the school and at our home, and sweepers who clean our classrooms and make the school very neat and clean. And the second question, in our daily life we depend on so many people like milkmen who delivers milk at our home, and doctor when we fall sick, doctor help us to become good. So these are some people who help us in our daily life. So now we'll discuss some questions based on our activity. Who are the different people we depend on and who do they depend on? Who are the different people we depend on and who they depend on? So let's discuss answer of this question. We depend on the grocer. Who is grocer? Who sells the grocery like shampoo, rice, oil, and electrician, milkman, bus driver, teacher, doctor, and many others. In our daily life we depend on so many people like these. They in turn depend on others to help them meet their needs. Electrician also depend on some other people, then doctor depend also some other people, so they also depend on other people to help them meet their needs. I hope this question is clear to you all. So now second question is, how do we depend on each other in a community? How do we depend on each other in a community? So let's discuss answer of this question. Doctor depends on grocer for food and other essential things. Grocer depend on a doctor to treat him when he is ill. So both are interdependent on each other. Now, teacher depends on a carpenter to make chairs and tables, and carpenter depends on teacher to teach his children. They also depend interdependent on each other, so everyone in the community depend on each other for fulfilling their needs. I hope this is also clear to you all. So next question is, why is it important to live in a community? Why is it important to live in a community? So we must live in a community so that people can support us in times of need, when we in a trouble, when we need someone, so people can support us. That's why we live in a community. Then it would be hard for us to live alone. Then we should not only feel lonely but would also be unable to do everything on our own. I hope this question is also clear to you all. Now we'll do reading related to this chapter. We are part of a community. So here this is our keyword. Community means a group of people who live on one place for many years. That is called community. We are part of a community whether we live in a city or a village. A neighborhood is a community where we live together. We feel safe when we live in a community. We can support and help each other. We can spend time with others when we feel lonely. We depend on each other in many ways. We live in a community. I hope this is also clear to you all. So now let's discuss some keywords of this chapter. The first one is community and the second one is depend. So thank you my dear students. I hope you understand this lesson 1 clearly. Please watch this video again and again.